Let's talk about perfect prospects and how we can find them on LinkedIn. The idea here is that we take the free version and we find some value in the paid version. So the premium versions of LinkedIn are Sales Navigator, and you've got, I think, two versions under Recruiter, and the one that I'm going to be showing you is the premium version. What we're going to do is I'm going to take somebody I'm already doing business with and more or less pour water on them like they're a gremlin. What I want to do is replicate my current customers to go find perfect prospects that are like them. The idea here is to project your value proposition, benefit statement, what you do for your customers onto your new customers or people that could be your customers. So let's take a look at how this works. All right, so this is normal LinkedIn. This is just the free version of LinkedIn. And I'll show you, Sales Navigator shows up here. I don't know if you have the free version and you haven't paid if this shows up or not. If it does not show up, you can go get the free trial since you probably don't have Navigator, and you can try this out for yourself. The idea here is to give you some value around what the premium version of LinkedIn can offer you and ultimately give you about $850 in value. That's how much it costs for the premium version per year, with 3 little dots or 1 button. Let's take a look here. So we're going to look somebody up, a current customer that's on LinkedIn. We're going to pretend like Phil is a current customer. I'm going to look him up. I know he's on here now because I typed his name in. This is his face. And what I want to do is I want to go find him in the premium version because this button, this magic button exists showing you more people like him that are on the LinkedIn platform. So you can click this button, but I recommend going up here because the trick lies in using the search function in premium. So I'm going to go back in and type Phil Denton into the search bar, and what I did there was just hit enter. I didn't click on the suggested profile right here. I did not click this. I just typed Phil Denton, and what it does is it searches LinkedIn for all Phil Dentons. You see 505 results. Happens to be I'm already connected to Phil, so it's at the top of my feed. He's the only Phil Denton that I know. And what I'm going to do now, instead of clicking on his name, I'm going to go over here to these 3 little buttons. These blue buttons are an embedded platform that I use for intelligence on the LinkedIn social media platform. So you guys probably don't have these. This is for a different video later on. Check out the YouTube channel if you want to know that one. So that said, I'm going to click on this right here. It's a little known secret. And this is where all of the value in the LinkedIn Premium platform comes into play for me. It's going to discover people just like Phil on the LinkedIn platform, and it's going to be 100 of them at a time. So what comes back is 100 total results. And if I scroll through here and do a drill down on any one of these profiles that came back, I'll find some similarities to my current customer, Phil Denton. So what I can do here is I can go through this list, and at the bottom you'll see the 100 results are broken up into the pages 1 through 4. And let's say I reviewed each one on this page and I liked the majority of them. Well, specifically Mark Fleshman, I'm going to look and see if there's more people like Mark. And I'm going to say view similar. It does the same thing for me. So now I've got 100 more people that are very similar to my current customer that I can go out and project my value proposition to, or my benefit statement. To break that down, a benefit is what your customers say about you. So you can go to these people and say, my customer feels this about me. What they felt before they did business with me was this. What they found now that they are doing business with me is that. That's how we highlight the benefit statement. For more on this, check out my YouTube channel, connect with me on LinkedIn, and follow Rethink Revenue, where we discover, disrupt, and rethink the way business is done today. Good fortune.